Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix direct messages on TikTok. So let's get started. So if you just open up your TikTok application and then tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on your profile icon, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right and tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, now you tap on privacy. After tapping on privacy, just scroll down, and from here you can find this option which is direct messages. So if you can't access this feature which is direct messages, that means your account is underage. That means your account is below 16 years old, and now what you have to do is you just have to increase your account's age. But the problem is there is no option to increase your account's age. But you can try this way. What you can do is just simply come back, and inside your settings and privacy just scroll all the way down, and inside your support and about section you can find report a problem. So now what you have to do is you have to report Instagram that you are underage and you can't access direct messages feature. So you just want to increase your account's age. So just request that for Instagram. Inside your account and profile, just tap on this option which is editing profile, and after tapping on editing profile, now what you can do is just tap on the option others which is on the bottom of your screen. So just tap on others. After tapping on others, just tap on need more help, and now what you can do is just type in your feedback that you want to access direct messages feature but your account is underage and you want to change your account's age. So what you can do is just type in that feedback and then enter an image if you have. Just tap on that photo icon, and now you can enter the ID. So if your age is below 16 you can't access that, but your ID, if your age is above 16, then you can access this feature. So just enter the ID which is above 18 years old or 16 years old, then you can simply tap on submit. And if TikTok sees that feedback, then they will try to change your age. So you can try this option, it might work. So this is the only way how you can change your age in TikTok. So if TikTok does not respond to your message, then what you can do is you can just create a new account which should be above 16, and you can use that account. And if your account is above 16, you should access this feature which is direct message. So you just have to create a new account to access this feature. But if that was not the case and your account's age is up to date, that means if your account age is above 16 years but you are still facing this problem that you are not finding this option which is direct message, then what you can do is just simply close your TikTok application and then open up your settings. And inside your settings, now what you can do is just search for apps, and inside your apps, now what you can do is you have to search for TikTok. And after searching for TikTok, now you can just tap on permissions, and after tapping on permissions, now you have to access or allow these following permissions which are contact and your microphone, camera. And after allowing those permissions, just tap on storage and cache and then clear your cache. Now after clearing your cache, you might fix any bugs or issues that you are facing in your TikTok. So just clear your cache, and by doing that it might fix your problem. And you have to also check that your TikTok is up to date. So if you have an outdated version of TikTok, then you might face some problems. So just open up your Play Store and then search for TikTok, and then check if your TikTok has a update option. So if it has an update option, then you just have to update your TikTok application, and that might fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix direct messages on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.